Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to get my hair braided. I'm going to get some knotless braids. This is my first time getting knotless braids because I never do my hair purred. I do my hair, but I get my hair done, but I always do it myself. So today I'm gonna go ahead and treat myself to some knotless braids. I'm in traffic heading to my appointment. I'm in New York, so you know the deal. So let me show you what the traffic is like. So we are in traffic. I'm early, super early. I thought my appointment was at 9, but actually it's at 10 and the time now is 9:02. So we have some time so the traffic doesn't bother me. So let's go. My hair is freshly washed, so all I'm gonna do is get it blow dried and get started. Here you go, guys. This is the final look of my hair. I really love it. You love it too? Yeah. It's super neat. Go ahead and check my girl out. Go ahead and check my girl out. Go ahead and check my girl out. Her name is Kristal. She works at Queens, Jamaica, Queens. I'm gonna put everything in the description down below. You can go ahead, check her out. She works super fast. This took like 5 hours, 5.5 hours, around that. And this is the medium. Yeah, I really love it. It has been 3 days now, and they're still super neat. Look at it. You can wear it like this. You can flip it like this. You can do like a deep side parts or whatever. My edges are not done yet, but
turn right onto Kings Highway.
They're super nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. My girl Kristal, she's at Absolute Creations. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in the description down below. I'm gonna also put her number. You can call her, you can text her, you can search for her on Style Seats or something like that. Check her out. She's dope. She works super fast. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.